guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So I am back with a new video and today's video is actually super different. So I've been seeing videos like these from the Western YouTubers quite a lot and I wanted to try it out for myself. So in this video, basically, I'll show you a few products that I got from Amazon that I've been loving like anything. I can't live without these products. I use them on my like everyday life, and these are some products that you need in your life. So if you like this video, then definitely keep on watching. So now I'll start with this one because ये जब से मतलब जिस video में मेरा ये दिखता है, you always ask me in the comment section and I always say कि I'll talk about them later. So it's this drum roll set of makeup brushes. So I got these makeup brushes from Amazon, I think back in September or August. I've been using these for doing my makeup since then. मैंने कोई और brush छुआ ही नहीं है. And I got these for, wait, let me check. Okay, I got these for 589 rupees. It's a set of 10 makeup brushes and this comes with a silicone का sponge kind of. Which is completely useless. एक तो ये lavender है. I've been obsessed with anything lavenderish kind of. And इसमें ना ये वो shiny सा, I don't know what that's called, like holographic effervescence kind of. एक ये वो effect सा होता है. तो इसमें वाला effect भी है and it reminds me of a unicorn's nose and it's really cute. So first of all, aesthetic wise, 10 on 10. Now using them, like I was obviously not sure कि कैसे होंगे, so I started using it, I started trying it, and इस बीच मैंने इतनी videos film करी हैं because of the Diwali week and everything. I had a marriage to attend, तो मैंने सबके लिए सिर्फ इसे use करा and uses wise 10 on 10, not even kidding. एक तो इसमें जो variety है, like इतने ब्रश से you are good to go, like these are more than enough. इसमें आपको हर चीज को कवर करने के लिए एक ब्रश मिल जाएगा. Now moving on to the second thing that I've been loving from Amazon are its jewelry pieces. So I have been buying a lot of jewelry from Amazon and I've got 5 necklaces to show you right here. All are from the same brand, Jewels Galaxy, and उसका price is always the least on Amazon. Like same, अगर आपको याद होगा आजियो हॉल में जो हमने नेकलेस की बात करी थी, आप लोग ने मुझे बताया था कि go to Amazon and उस नेकलेस को wait, let me show you the necklace also. हाँ, ये वो नेकलेस था. So thank you so much to everyone who recommended this to me because उसकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे pieces मिले from the same brand. Now this one was just for I think either 199 or 200 something, like very cheap, and I think Ajio का 50% price में मुझे मिला. But there is this sad thing कि ये tarnish होता है. Now next neck piece is this one right here. This one is so damn different. So it's actually एक pearl वाला with this coin pendant here at the front. So this is actually what the necklace is like. It's like this open-ended one नहीं होते जिनमें आगे से आपको ऐसे इसको इसके अंदर इंसर्ट करके पहनना होता है. So you have to wear it like this and you have to insert this thing inside. यहाँ पर एक ring दिया होता है. So it's a very pretty piece, very different. Actually this is completely out of my comfort zone. I rarely wear pieces like this. You can see कि मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा gold के dainty pieces या फिर I just don't go for pieces like this. It's not my style. But since I got it, I have been wearing it. So now I have these earrings that I got from Myntra. Like it's not part of this haul. But I wanted to show कि इसमें भी ये coin वाली detailing है with pearls in it. And I think this completely looks like, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये साथ में एक set type का है. So if I want to dress up any outfit, I can very easily wear these. But let me wear it with this outfit as well. So I really like it. Yeah, मैं इसको अब I'll put it on for rest of the video. Now moving on to the next neck piece. Okay. So next neck piece is also really cute. ये मैंने अभी recently पहना था. I don't remember. I think Diwali week की किसी वीडियो में पहना हुआ था. And it's this padlock plus key वाला detailing वाला necklace. So it's this chunky chain necklace with 2 layers. Now इसकी जो सबसे amazing बात है, something that struck me as soon as I held it in my hand, is its weight. Considering it's so chunky and everything, I expected this to be very heavy, but ये इतना lightweight है, like you won't even believe me. I can't explain it कितना lightweight है. If you just hold it, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is extremely lightweight and very comfy to put on. Now the final 2 jewelry pieces. Yes, jewelry खत्म होने वाला है. Don't worry. are these chain necklaces, like very simple basic chain necklaces. Now I got them both in gold as well as silver because I was looking for pieces like this for a while, and I found them in Amazon and cheap again. I think these were for either 199 or 210 or something like that. Wait, let me check it out. मतलब काफी cheap pieces था. I really like the pricing of all of these Jewel Galaxy का item. हाँ, they were for 199. I'm not wrong. So 199 each, इसलिए मैंने दोनों कलर में ले लिए. Now there is this one problem, not problem per se, but when I saw these in the website, I thought कि ये थोड़ा सा लंबे होंगे, but these ones are like very small. मतलब लेंथ इनका बहुत कम है, तो ये ऐसे ये ऐसे आते हैं, ये चोकर की तरह. तो मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड था कि ये थोड़ा यहाँ तक आएंगे, बट ये फुल और ऐसे चोकर की तरह लगते हैं मेरे नेक में. ऑल्दो आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग, ऐसे कुछ गंदा नहीं लगता वो, इट लुक्स वेरी गुड, बट देयर वाज समथिंग जो मुझे इतना समझ नहीं आया था पिक्चर से. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू इफ यू प्लान ऑन बाइंग समथिंग लाइक दीज. So yes, now we are over with the jewelry section of this video. Now let's move on to the third item that I've been loving from Amazon. Now this is something जो मैं हर वक्त हर दिन यूज़ करती हूँ, and I've already shown this in a video in a vlog. मैंने एक vlog डाला था अभी दिवाली वीक में, मैंने उस पर आपको दिखाया था, which is this water bottle. Like I wanted to show it here as well because this deserves another video. This is that good. So now the best thing about this is, wait, it's this sipper right here. I love me some good sipper wala bottle or tumbler, and it is actually the reason I got it mainly. Now you can remove it also. It's actually removable. So आप straw हटा दो, and then you'll have your normal like this. यहाँ पे ये opening like this, and you can just screw it up, and this is a really good piece. Although it is plastic, but it's a good quality for plastic. It's BPA free. And yes, this is the next purchase. I got this for 525 rupees, the best 500 rupees I ever spent. And the last thing, wait, I cannot not talk about this, is the color right here. I love this muted powder blue kind of, और इसके साथ ये दूसरा जो color, like I really like the color of it. So yes, this is the third thing from Amazon that you definitely should buy, and something I cannot live without. So now the fourth product is actually a sunscreen. It's from Qurez, Qurez, from Elmora. It's their mattifying sunscreen with matcha green tea and aloe vera, and it has SPF 50. Now obviously everyone knows sunscreen बहुत important है, and I try not to miss out on it. Like I apply it every day. मेरे morning skincare routine का वो part है, and I wanted to try out some new one. It's really good. काफ़ी अच्छे से आपके skin में melt हो जाता है, and white cast नहीं छोड़ता, which is something which is amazing. So yes, this is a sunscreen that I've been using. Yes, it's made in India, and it's cruelty free. It's 100% vegan. So if you only buy or support brands which are cruelty free or 100% vegan, which is amazing, then you can go for this sunscreen. So yes, this is the fourth option. Again, I've been using this every day on my skincare routine, so something I can't live without. So now moving on to the next item. It's again through some makeup skincare related, like kinda, it's more like a beauty tool, not even a tool, I don't know how to explain it. It's basically this microfiber makeup removal cloth. So I wanted to eliminate cotton pads from my makeup removing procedure for a long while actually, because they're not that good for the environment, not that sustainable. It's a lot of wastage actually. So I heard about these makeup removal clothes. I got this in September. I've been using it every day since, like whenever I put on makeup, I use only these to remove my makeup, and these are amazing. Not just because of the environmental aspect, these are amazing for your skin as well, which is really great. So these are super soft. तो आप इस पे अपना makeup remover डालो, and then use this to remove your makeup, and these are very soft on your skin. And sometimes ना cotton pads से भी अगर आप जोर से करोगे तो वो micro tears दे देता है skin को, या फिर ना light friction की वजह से skin में दिक्कत आ सकती है. But ये इतने ज़्यादा soft होते हैं, like when I use these, I can definitely see a big difference from any makeup removing pad or something. Although I have seen कि कुछ biodegradable, not biodegradable, wait, reusable makeup removing pads भी आते हैं, मैंने Amazon में देखे हुए हैं. I think it was a set of 3 for 500 or something. So I thought that's the next thing I'm gonna try. Now again, another two things that I've already shown you in my vlog are these, you know, phone cover and pop socket. Now these do not come together. These are my 6th and 7th items from this video. So this phone cover, this is obviously from OnePlus 70. I don't know if it's available for other phones as well, but मैं link डाल दूंगी, आप check कर लेना. This phone cover is amazing. एक तो सिलिकॉन वाला है तो ये बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव है, and then the color is so pretty. It's available in a very beautiful green color as well, like sage green kind of, so pistachio green वाली लाइन पे. तो मुझे वो वाला भी बहुत पसंद है. आई थिंक आई विल बाय इट सून. एंड देन आई गॉट अ पॉप सॉकेट टू मैच इट. मतलब ये मैंने अलग से लिया है, बट देन आई गॉट इट इन कलर्स जो कि इसको अच्छे से मैच करेंगे. सो आई गॉट दिस लेवेंडर प्रिंट वाला, नॉट लेवेंडर, टाइगर प्रिंट वाला लेवेंडर में पॉप सॉकेट. एंड दिस वन वॉज जस्ट फॉर 98, लाइक द पॉप सॉकेट. वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. लाइक अभी तक टूटा वूटा कुछ नहीं है. द फोन कवर वॉज फॉर 300 rupees शायद, and it's a really nice purchase. Like both of these you can also get this kind of combination अगर आपको ये अच्छा लग रहा है. And yes, these are the next two purchases. So now I'm left with just 3 more items. Next one is this skipping rope. So I've been on the bottom of my workout game. I used to go to gym earlier, and घर पे workout करना it's a little difficult for me. Like I'm used to पूरा gym का environment and वो सब, तो घर में consistency आ ही नहीं पाती है. So I have bought these skipping ropes. Maybe इनको देख के मैं थोड़ा सा workout करना start करूँ. I have been using them on and off. I'm still not very consistent with it, which is very sad. I want to really be consistent with my workouts and everything. So उसके लिए मैंने लिया. It's very good quality. It's adjustable hair. And इसका जो ये handles है, इसकी grip भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. So yes, this is something that I want to include more in my life. And I wish I used this every day in my life. But I am working towards it. I will one day. So now we are nearing the end of this video. Now moving on to the second last item. I wanted to buy, wireless earphones or earpods basically for a long while. Now we all know Apple ones are so damn expensive, and I don't have the finances to buy it right now. Hopefully in future. But अभी I wanted something cheaper. So I was looking for cheap alternatives. And अभी Amazon का जो haul आया था, sale आया था, आई थिंक द ग्रैंड दिवाली सेल और समथिंग, लाइक जो भी उसका एक मेजर सेल आया था, उस पर आई वॉज चेकिंग आउट सम गुड earpods or something, and I came across these ones from Boat. First of all, the color attracted me, not gonna lie. मैं color की वजह से I basically, like my eyes went towards them because of the color. And then I looked at उसका प्राइस वगैरह काफ़ी अच्छा था. I saw its reviews in YouTube and वो भी सही था. It was very inexpensive, like 1500 मुझे मिल रहे थे. So I thought कि ठीक है, I'll try to get it. And it's in this very pretty rose gold pastel powder pink kind of color, like a very muted tone. And they look so damn cute. Now obviously aesthetic was not the only reason. ये काम करने में भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. And I really like it. And now, last but definitely not the least, is a very heavy item. The heaviest, biggest, bulkiest item of this video. Wait, let me see if I can show you right. So it's this study table. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Laptop table, lap table, ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं इसको. It's basically this table that you put in ऐसे करके bed वगैरह में, and you use that to work or study or whatever you want to do or eat. So I got this table. ये आपने मेरी videos के background में भी काफ़ी देखा होगा. So this is the table right here. As you can see, इसको मैंने एक certain angle में elevate कर रखा है. I can leave it as it is also, but I got this mainly because of this feature right here. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे adjust करके I can put on my laptop here. Now यहाँ पे you've got this extra space here to put your water and mouse and everything. And then it's got this really cute, wait, निकल, it's got this really cute drawer है, like बहुत छोटू सा, to keep maybe your wires or pen drive or something, and you can close it or even snacks. And with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want me to do a part 2 of this, then please tell me, because I just keep on buying things from Amazon as a random things. So I can make a lot of videos on this. So अगर आपको part 2 चाहिए तो मुझे comment section में ज़रूर बताना. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. अगर आपने subscribe नहीं करा है, please subscribe. The analytics में दिखता है कि a lot of you have not subscribed to my channel. तो please subscribe कर लेना. It's free. It's absolutely free, but it will really help in the growth of my channel, which I desperately need. So yes, subscribe करना, click on this red button to subscribe, and then click on the bell sign too. That's very important, वरना आपको notification नहीं आएगा जब मेरी वीडियो अपलोड होगी। एंड हाँ, टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको इसमें से सबसे अच्छी चीज़ कौन सी लगी, लाइक द टॉप 2 थिंग्स दैट यू वुड वांट टू बाय फॉर योरसेल्फ, या फिर व्हाट आर द टॉप 2 थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो जो लगता है आपकी लाइफ में आपके लिए नेसेसरी है। एंड ये मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है, यू कैन फॉलो मी देयर। एंड नाउ आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम, अंटिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग, बाय।